progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. The Madras Engineer Group and Centre celebrates MEG Day on 30th September. Every year, this day is celebrated to commemorate the rise of two pioneer companies in 1780 by the Britishers. The day is also celebrated as Madras Sappers Officers Association Day. Madras Engineer Group, informally known as the Madras Sappers, is an engineer group of the Corps of Engineers of the Indian Army. The motto of Madras Sappers, Sarvatra, was adopted from the motto of the Royal Engineers, which in Sanskrit translates to everywhere. The illustrious history of Madras Sapper is well preserved in the Madras Sapper Museum, which was established in the year 1979 at MEGN Centre in Bengaluru. The museum chronicles their history and achievements. It houses armour used by the regiment, various medals, attire, and a sports gallery. Every year, serving and retired Madras Sappers with their families assemble at MEGN Centre to celebrate this day. However, this year, the Madras Sappers Day was celebrated on a smaller scale due to the government guidelines and safety precautions in view of the COVID-19 pandemic.